In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a video using AI in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to an AI-generated video clip that you can use in your designs, social media posts, or presentations. First, open Canva and head into any design where you want to add a video, or simply create a new design. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the option labeled Apps. It might be a bit lower in the panel, so if you don't see it right away, scroll down until it appears. Click on Apps to open Canva's library of tools and integrations. Once the Apps panel is open, go to the search bar at the top of that panel and type in Magic Media. This is Canva's built-in AI tool that can create images and videos from text. As you start typing, you should see Magic Media show up in the results. When you see the Magic Media option, click on it to open the main Magic Media window. Here, Canva may show you a few different AI features, like tools for image generation or other creative options. What we want is specifically the feature for creating videos, so if you're not already on it, look for the section that mentions video generation. Inside the Magic Media interface, you'll see a tab or option labeled Videos. Go ahead and click on Videos. This switches the tool into video generation mode, which tells Canva that you want moving footage instead of still images. Now you'll see a prompt box where you can type what you want the AI to create. This is where you describe your ideal video. Be as clear and specific as possible. For example, instead of just typing a dog, you could write a short video of a golden retriever running through a sunny park, filmed in a cinematic style. The more detail you give about the subject, style, mood, and setting, the better your result will usually be. After you've typed your prompt and you're happy with the description, look for the button that says Generate Video and click on it. Canva will take a moment to process your request and then produce an AI-generated video clip based on your prompt. Once it appears, you can preview it, and if you like it, simply add it to your design and edit it, just like any other video in Canva.